What is a user mode driver in Windows OS? Imagine your computer is like a busy city, with many different workers handling various tasks. Some workers have direct access to the city's core, while others operate more safely from the sidelines. That's similar to how device drivers work in Windows operating systems. Today, we're focusing on a special type called user mode drivers. A user mode driver is a kind of device driver that runs outside the core part of the operating system, known as the kernel mode. Unlike traditional drivers that have full access to the system, user mode drivers operate with limited privileges. This setup helps keep the system stable because if a user mode driver crashes, it doesn't bring down the entire system. Instead, it can restart independently, making the whole experience safer and more reliable. These drivers are built using a platform called the User Mode Driver Framework, which was introduced by Microsoft starting with Windows Vista. This framework makes it easier for developers to create drivers by providing a set of tools and APIs that handle complex tasks like managing memory and responding to device signals. It's especially useful for devices that connect and disconnect often, like USB flash drives, cameras, or Bluetooth devices. User mode drivers handle communication between the device and the operating system, translating requests into commands that the hardware understands. They do this without needing direct access to the hardware, which reduces the risk of system crashes caused by driver errors. However, because they run outside the kernel, they might not be suitable for devices that need very high performance or direct hardware control. In terms of Windows system management, user mode drivers are a safer choice for many devices. They are ideal for peripherals that are frequently connected or disconnected, like portable music players or webcams. These drivers work alongside kernel mode drivers, which are used for devices that requiring fast, direct access to hardware. To sum it up, a user mode driver in Windows is a type of device driver that runs outside the core system, offering a safer way to manage many common devices. They are easier to develop, easier to troubleshoot, and help keep your system stable even if something goes wrong with the driver. This approach makes Windows more reliable and easier to maintain for both users and system administrators.